Respected parents and my dear student, I am so excited to show you our newly opened Research and Development and Innovation Lab. So it was my dream as I from technical background. So finally we are going to install and I would like to show you details. Okay. Before showing you the activity kit, I would like to tell something to you that when we teach science or mathematics or any scientific subject, so when we teach them theoretically, the student get bored. In last 2-3 years, the government of India changing the curriculum that is called National Curriculum Framework 2023. And as I also a research person and I have attended many workshops, so seen that when we learn practically or experientially, the retention rate increases, means student can remember the things for a long time and we can see joyful learning among the student. So on that concept, I have decided that I should open one activity lab or research lab or innovation lab to see positive response from the student. So let us see. Mainly this experiment is from 6 to 10 mainly. So here this experiment, this one is for actually how to show the open and closed circuit. And second one is here some component of electric circuit. Okay, component of electric circuit. And there are almost 106 activity in this lab right now. We later on will increase also. And third one is visible effect of current, different type of EMF source. Here mainly source of current, many source of current are there. Almost 10 activities are there related to source of current, EMF. And here one very important activity is there, one important activity that you can see here. There are three wire and diameter of wire is different. As we know, the resistance of metallic wire is depend on length and area, cross section area. So when we teach them theoretically, they do not feel, but when we'll show practically, okay, we'll change the length and we'll see the resistance, we'll change the diameter. Diameter means three, whereas they're having the three different diameter. And when we change the temperature or metal, then also resistivity changes. So we can show with the help of this activity or experiment. Here the very interesting activities there, that there are three type of mainly object like metal, non-metal, semiconductor. Okay, when I teach in class 12, energy gap or energy band, so very difficult to teach them. Energy gap or energy band is different for different metal. So conductor is very low, semiconductor little bit is there, but in non-metal, some non-metal to energy gap is very high, do not conduct only, but some non-metal conduct electricity due to high temperature. So sir, please show the activity, this activity. This is a glass rod, non-metal. When it is heated, heating is going on. At high temperature, it conducts. This means some non-metal conduct electricity at high temperature. You can see there will be glow the bulb. Yes, glowing. See, glowing. Bulb is glowing. and that is actually non-metal, glass rod, non-metal. Okay, when you see it's so glowed. At high temperature, some non-metal also conduct electricity. So here actually some activity is related to motion part, uniform motion. We can show the student about the uniform motion, non-uniform motion, rotational motion, projectile motion, projectile motion. This part is from mechanics. And I hear now some very interesting activities are there, experiment are there related to optics, reflection of light, refraction of light, okay, lenses, so shown a little bit, if possible.
The demonstration, like how this is a reflected beam, then this is a convex mirror,
Yes, convex.
then all the rays will converge, and this is a concave mirror. So all the lights will meet at the single point. This is like model. So how a spherical mirror works, or how the reflected beam happens.
Okay, okay. And here one light experiment was there.
Actually, due to the heavy light,
Okay,
not
okay,
visible clearly.
okay. Means we have to put some curtain, we have to make it dark because light experiment, experiment which is related to light, we have to make the room dark. Okay. So here though I think the experiment related to magnets, electromagnets. Okay, in class 7 also, class 8 also, class 10 also, 12 also, mainly in chapters are related to electromagnet. Means there are two cases. One is current produced magnetic field, and their application is electric motor, electric fan. Okay, and changing magnetic flux also produce electric current. Okay, that is called electromagnetic induction. So we can show some experiment related to electromagnetic induction. This activity or experiment related to electromagnetic induction. Okay, and this experiment will be done for class 12 also. 12 also, very difficult when we teach theoretically these things, students do not feel. Okay, here also related to, I think, electromagnet only. Electromagnet. So, what about this experiment?
Alien track ball, like release this ball from the same height, then what like
Oscillate.
like it will goes at the same point.
Huh.
So if we increase the inclination,
Huh.
then ball will also gain the same height.
Understood.
So if I again increase the inclination,
Hmm.
so
So, what is the principle, sir, here?
so it means if we decrease, like if this height is on the ground, then the ball will go infinite distance, it will travel until like it touches the original height.
Understood,
So
understood.
and the potential energy and kinetic energy.
And here, I think experiment is related to pressure. Pressure. In 11 class, there is a chapter, liquid pressure. I think, so this are for liquid pressure, mainly?
Yes.
Liquid pressure. So here I think you can see liquid pressure is depend on height of the liquid. If when we'll put water here and this orifice or is this tap, when water will come out from this tap or orifice, the speed of water will be more because this length is more here, so pressure will be more here. So this part will mainly, this activity is related to fluid mechanics. In scientific or in engineering terms, it is called fluid mechanics. So we get some topic or chapter in class 7 also, 8 also, 9 also, 11 also. So we can do common activity for the class 7, for the class 9, for the class 11. So 7, 9 and 11, the activities or syllabus are almost similar, and 6, 8, 10, 12 activities are little bit similar. Mainly 6, 8, 10, 12 optics and electromagnets, electricity mainly are there. Semiconductors like that things are there. But in 7, 9 and 11 mainly mechanics. Mechanics means fluid mechanics also are there. So this part is especially for fluid mechanics, and there in middle we have the experiment related to Newtonian mechanics like uniform motion, acceleration, rotational motion, periodic motion, projectile motion. Okay, and in that part optics are there. Optics means reflection, refraction, scattering of light, many activity we can do. And the last part is mainly simple circuit, basic circuit, heating effect, heating effect of metal, non-metal, semiconductor. Okay, so we are now going to do or conduct experiment or activity after Bihu vacation. So I am also excited because when we do practically something, really feel good, and we enjoy the classes, and it's also reduce anxiety of students. Really, I'm telling from my heart. It also reduce the anxiety, stress of the student when they learn practically. They understand. Then the things become so easy for them. So for this today, I'm going to finish this video. Jai Akham, Jai Hind.